Have you ever seen someone who radiates unwavering confidence and appears to be successful in everything he attempts? You might think he comes off as arrogant or feel envious of his accomplishment because you lack of his knowledge. The truth is that we can all design the life we want. The secret is simply in how we think and we use our mind. Socrates Inc. present Napoleon Hill Golden Rule, the summary, from the one of the best self-improvement gurus, Napoleon Hill. Although his books were first published in 1920 and 1930s, Napoleon Hill was one of the first self-improvement gurus, and his works are still among the genre's top sellers today. His belief that you didn't need to be born with inherent skill to thrive in life is one of the reasons why his guidance continues to draw people. Hill believed that anyone can acquire the abilities required to achieve his goal and succeed in his industry with a little focus and effort. In this book, Hill offers a guide for achieving success and happiness in life through the power of the Golden Rule. The Golden Rule is a simple yet profound principle which states that we should treat others as we would like to be treated. Hill argues that by following the Golden Rule, we can create a life of abundance, fulfillment, and happiness, both for ourselves and others. Note number 1. Relationships with others are key to our happiness and success. One of the key themes of Napoleon Hill's Golden Rule is the importance of relationship and connection. Hill argues that our relationship with others are key to our happiness and success, and that by following the Golden Rule, we can create strong, supportive, and loving relationships with others. He suggests that by treating others with kindness, respect, and generosity, we can build trust and respect, and create a sense of harmony and cooperation in our relationship. Note number 2. Our thought and belief create our reality. Hill argues that by changing our thought and belief, we can change our reality and attract the things we desire into our lives. He gives the example of a man named Jack, who was struggling with lack of confidence and self-esteem. By shifting his focus and adopting a more positive mindset, Jack was able to attract success and abundance into his life. Note number 3. Clear goals and persistent action lead to success. Hill suggests that by setting clear and specific goals and taking consistent and persistent action towards those goals, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve our dreams. He gives the example of a woman named Mary, who was struggling to find her purpose and direction in life. By setting clear goals and taking consistent action toward those goals, Mary was able to discover her purpose and create a successful career as a writer. Note number 4. Personal development is the key to success and happiness. Hill argues that by continuously learning and growing, we can create a life of abundance and of fulfillment. He suggests that by investing in ourselves, both intellectually and emotionally, we can cultivate a sense of self-awareness and self-improvement and attract the things we desire into our life. He gives the example of a man named Peter, who was struggling with lack of success and fulfillment in his career. By investing in his personal development, Peter was able to attract a fulfilling career and a sense of purpose into his life. Note number 5. Positive thinking leads to positive results. Hill suggests that by adopting a positive mindset and focusing on what we want to attract into our life, we can create a sense of abundance and fulfillment. He encourages readers to cultivate positive attitude and focus on the good things in their lives, rather than dwelling on negative thoughts and experience. Note number 6. The Golden Rule is to create strong and supportive relationships. Hill argues that by following the Golden Rule and treating others with kindness, respect, and generosity, we can create strong, supportive, and loving relationships with others. He suggests that by building trust and respect, and showing compassion and understanding toward others, we can create a sense of harmony and cooperation in our relationship. Note number 7. Positive thinking, goal setting, and personal development are the tools you must embrace. To help readers follow the golden rule and create successful and fulfilling relationships, Hill presents a series of tools and practice, including positive thinking, goal settings, and personal development. He suggests that by adopting this practice and incorporating them into our daily lives, we can create a sense of purpose and direction and attract the things we desire into our lives. Final key message. Overall, Napoleon Hill's Golden Rule is a thought-provoking and inspiring guide for anyone looking to create a life filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. If you are interested in following the Golden Rule and creating strong, supportive, and loving relationships, this book may be a helpful resource. By following the principles outlined in the book, you can learn how to cultivate positive thinking, set clear goals, and invest in your personal development and create a life that is truly fulfilling. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe to our channel so we can make more content like this. If you have any question or would like more information, I recommend checking out the book for more in-depth exploration of the concept discussed. Remember, by following the Golden Rule and investing in your personal development, you can create strong, supportive, and loving relationships and attract the things you desire into your lives. Thanks for watching.